winter camping workshop, and we're getting the noodle tied.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, don't break it. Oh, that's not tied. It's gonna be
tighter?
Yeah! Yes! We have a winner!
Right on. I like
Oh,
it.
what's the stove? Oh, that one.
Here, we'll just add some
What's that called again, that stove?
Little bug?
Little bug.
Little bug.
Little bug.
That's not what I was gonna guess.
You don't even have your noodle soft.
Nope,
Oh.
it just kind of in there. Yep. Yep.
Good fire though. Who did the knot?
Well, Derek tied the knot in it, but there we go.
He tied the knot.
Did you tie the knot? What happened?
Well, we got, hungry. A couple minutes in. So we're like, eat the noodle. Split it in half. You take half, I'll take half.
All right, here's a stove that I've never used. They've never used. How's it working?
It's all right.
Yeah?
All right, we got to keep feeding it lots of air. So we're pretty much constantly blowing on it.
Unsure what to do with this bottom part here, but it's good airflow. I guess airflow comes out from the bottom as well.
Yeah, it's working.
Yeah, well, it's getting to a boil now. So
Yeah, we're tilting though.
yeah, we're starting to
We're
melt.
melting.
Melting
okay.
on one side.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's tilting more now.
So it'd be better if you put it on some type of base.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Imagine that.
The learning doesn't stop out here, I'm telling you. Brian, what are you doing?
Well, just getting this hot tent warmed up. Got to keep everybody warm. It's gonna get minus 36 below tonight, so I think we can fit 13 of us in here. It might be pretty cozy, but hey, if the fire goes out, we'll have body heat, right?
I was just saying, it's like putting clowns in a car at the circus. I got a gift. What is it?
Well, this is beer that they don't make anymore because it's so old and kind of like me and Kevin. It's Happy Camper. It's a honey brown ale. It's from Lake of the Woods Brewery in Kenora. And we picked it up after we retired in June of 2017. And we've been saving it for a moment like this because, I know Kevin's been stalking me, but I wanted to be stalking him to give it to him. So anyway, here you go, Kevin. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot. I just get booze everywhere I go. I tell you.